The final day of the Gooding Summer Camp is here, and it should be a lot of fun. Here we go. All right, guys, this is it. Day 7, the final day of the Gooding Summer Camp. The marathon is officially over. We are headed out to Folsom Lake today. We're going to be at Beals Point. This is our first time in a while. I guess our first meetup was outside as well. This is our first official, paid, not free outdoor event of summer camp. This is really good to do. I think we've done so many kind of studios, indoor shoots, used a bunch of lighting. It's gonna be nice to get outside, out in nature, get some kind of, add the elements into our images and just kind of change it up a little bit. So Beals Point is a beautiful kind of state park area on Folsom Lake. Folsom Lake is gorgeous, man. It's super underrated, underappreciated here in the Sacramento area. Beals Point, I like personally because it's got a really nice backdrop facing the foothills and facing the Sierras. It's away from the sunset, but I honestly prefer this area with the incredible kind of foothills and Sierra as the backdrop. Really kind of rocky beach kind of area, which will make some really cool elements for some photos. Hopefully we can get some models out into the water. That was kind of the vision when I kind of sent it over to the models. I'm sure they usually do a really good job of kind of executing on the vision of kind of the flowy dress, out in the water type of look and type of vibe. So it should be really nice, man. It should be a lot of fun. We have 4 to 5 models coming. Just a nice way to kind of cap things off, finish things off. It's been a really, really good year. I'll do one more video after this, kind of recapping everything, but overall it's been a total success. It's been a blast. We had some hiccups along the way, but we pushed through them, and one more day of fun, exploring, photographying, that's not really a word, getting some photos, creating and hanging out should be an absolute blast. So yeah, here we go, guys. Let's get it. is a wrap for day 7, the final day of the Gooding Summer Photo Camp at Folsom Lake. An absolutely beautiful day out there, beautiful conditions, great turnout, more people than last year. Last year we had a bunch of people kind of fall off, didn't make it to the final day. This year we had a much bigger group. We had, I think, 5 models at the end. Like I said, great conditions. It's absolutely beautiful out there. I really do have to remind myself how actually just like naturally beautiful Folsom Lake is, because it's stunning. The models were perfect, completely understood the assignment. Nice flowy dresses, willing to get into the water. That was so cool, man. So big thank you to the models that came out today. I will do a full video recapping the entire summer camp. This video is just focusing on today and finalizing things. A group of people ended up going out to eat at a restaurant out in Folsom. So that's so cool, man. Love seeing that. Love seeing people kind of make connections, build bonds. I used to do that back in the day before I had kids. I used to, after every meetup, we'd go out and eat and hang out and get drinks and stay out late and do all that cool stuff. That's not really where I'm at in my life right now, but it was great to see everyone else doing that. Just kind of, like I said, building those bonds, building those relationships and friendships that, you know, last forever, man. So super cool to see that. That's exciting. That gets me fired up, man. I love to see people connecting in different ways, and love to see Good Ink bringing people together, not just for photography, but for friendship, for companionship, connection, all that cool stuff. That's great to see. We lost one of our guys from Los Angeles. Shout out to Dave. He had to go home early, but we had our guy from San Francisco, another guy from the Bay Area out there. So that was so cool to see, man. Like, just exposing people that aren't from here to some of the best areas in SAC. So just cool, man. All around, just super fun. It was a great way to end it. Like I said, I'll do a full video recapping the entire summer camp. I got to kind of let it all sit with me, digest a little bit, then I'll recap it. I'm just fired up from today, but an absolutely perfect way to finish things off. So stay tuned for more content. Like I said, I'm gonna do a recap. I'm gonna do like a highlight video from the whole thing, and then we'll be back to kind of the normal stuff here on the channel. More photo meetups coming though, for sure, as well as some big exciting announcements coming for Good Ink. I cannot wait to share that. Been working on something really cool. Shout out to Felipe. Big things coming on that end of things. But that'll do it for this one, guys. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.